Today I am presenting you my security alarm system project. This system is designed to detect unauthorized entry and alert the user immediately. It uses sensors like PIR sensor, IR sensor which is connected to a microcontroller. The components I have used in my security alarm system is an IR sensor for detection and Arduino Uno has the microcontroller. How my system works is IR sensor is detected. If a person is there, it gives signal and then the buzzer and the LEDs start switching on. The main goal of my security alarm system is to improve safety at home or in small offices by using simple and affordable technology. Thank you.